Exploring the world through taste, unveiling regional recipes. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English language learning journey. Today, we're going to explore an exciting and delicious topic: regional recipes. We'll discover what this phrase means, delve into its cultural significance, and even look at a few examples. Get ready to embark on a culinary adventure. In this section, we'll define regional recipes. These are recipes that are specific to a particular region or area. They often use local ingredients and are prepared in a unique style that represents the culture and traditions of that region. Understanding regional recipes gives us insight into the history, climate, and lifestyle of different places around the world. Here, we'll discuss why regional recipes are important. They help preserve cultural heritage and promote diversity in culinary arts. By exploring regional recipes, we get to experience the essence of different cultures without leaving our kitchens. This is particularly important in our globalized world, where food connects people from various backgrounds. In this exciting section, we'll take a look at some examples of regional recipes from around the world. We'll explore the spicy flavors of Indian curry, the rustic charm of Italian pasta dishes, the freshness of Japanese sushi, and more. These examples will help illustrate how diverse and rich regional cuisines can be. I hope you enjoyed this tasty journey through the world of regional recipes. Remember, food is not just about sustenance. It's a gateway to understanding different cultures and histories. Keep exploring and experimenting with recipes from around the world. Happy cooking and learning!